I just got a wig from Uniwigs. Okay, I gotta stand back because my light is making it super shiny. The writing is in silver. And I'm gonna be reviewing this, but I thought that I would do an unboxing of it and just show you what it looks like. So, box is really cute. It's got like a little magnet closure on it. We'll open her up here. Tissue. There she is. She's really long. This is the Mood wig by them. This is human hair. So it comes with the gorgeous wig. The color looks fabulous. It comes with a strap that you can put in there. It comes with a wig cap. It comes with some clips, which I don't think I will need with my bald head, but sometimes you can put these, you can kind of secure them under your wig cap and they do help. So I'll just have to see if I need them or not. And then it just comes with, this is a little $10 coupon and a little return and exchange form if I need to use it. And these are the instructions, I guess, for, yeah, a little instruction book. Thank you for your order, little instruction book with care and stuff. So, she is in a hairnet. Let's take that out. Now, I think there's lace that I'm gonna have to cut. So it's still gonna have the lace on it. Ball of tissue paper. Oh, look at that pretty hair, y'all. Wow, that is really, really pretty. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Okay, so before I put her on, let's look at the inside of the cap. So she's hand-tied. She's got a full mono top. She's got really softy ear tabs. Lots of hair on the ear tabs, which I love. Extended nape. She's got the little like hook and eye little closures. And then, of course, the lace front, and I will have to trim that lace. But I thought I would try her on first time on the camera. So, let's see what she looks like. Oh, I should take the hair off that's on my head. You know, I've worn wigs long enough now that they're super comfortable, and I don't even remember I have one on my head. That's pretty good. So I haven't sized this or anything. It feels a little bit big on my head. I'm gonna have to cinch it up a little bit, so. Ooh, oh my, look at that. Woo! I feel gorgeous in this. Look at this pretty hair. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh, the color is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Really pretty. Lace front. Now, like I said, I need to make the cap my size, but lace front is really pretty. I'm probably gonna change the part. I'm not a huge middle part fan, even though I know that's really popular. It's actually kind of pretty though. It's not too bad on me. Oh gosh, this is fabulous. What? Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. It's 22 inches long. Woohoo! Wow. This is their Mood wig. Oh, this hair is beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is just fabulous. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. This is some gorgeous hair. Wow, this is so pretty. Thank you, Uniwigs. I'm so excited. I can't wait to review this. Yay! So, review coming soon for this. Bye!